all wrapped up. 2 in the morning, you find yourself in a car with her. New drive and the windows tinted up. Life on, bring it back like it's rented up. Redefining my limits, realigning the pivot. You level up when you hit it, get it. Take her up a notch, even on downtime. So bad, she ain't even got a good side. And we living it like a cinema. Other side of the screen, illest in the perimeter. And better bet on the bet, I'm taking it all on. Headed to heaven, who the hell gon' set it off? Talk real, the crowd gon' feel him out. Oh, kill him, I take the role of the villain now. Blazed out, the night storm, we raised out. Real talk, who the one getting played out? Blazed out, the night storm, we raised out. 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 Real talk, who the one getting played out? Real talk, who the one getting played out?
Real talk, who the one getting played out?
I know, right? Fucking ain't shit right there, dude. Damn, that was funny. Was the guy right there chilling?